Am I audible? Pratiksha?
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam. Hari Bol and hi. Hello, bro, to all the girls and boys present here. Because this is the language I have learned last year when I was doing my diploma course in proper college. So I could understand to connect with the children, it's not that easy. Especially being a parent, it's difficult because there are very various challenges. The generation gap is there. So then I understood their language of speaking. So welcome to all. I'm happy to see Bhumika Pai, Hima Shanai, Neha Pai, Rishika Pai, आणि 2-3 जण पुढे असेल याच्यात क्विट केलीची. व्हेरी हॅपी टू सी दॅट यू ऑल गॉट कनेक्टेड. अँड खुश हे दितास म्हाका की देवा आम्ही अर्पण करताना आमगेले घरची फूल आंगणा जाल्लेले फूल आम्ही दिताना ताजी खुश विंगड असता मार्केटा दुखून या विंगड खांपून हाडची फूल किना तशी आय एम सीइंग दॅट all the children are blossoming here. All here. Not only devotee children, I'm seeing all other children also. They have taken interest today in participating in today's session. Tani आज Sunday evening कसं नाही करत असेल. Especially party animals because I know Sunday, Saturday we live in Mumbai metropolitan cities. कसं त्यांनी एन्जॉय करता म्हणून. आणि नवरात्रच्या पर्व निमित्त दांडिया असो कसं नाही. Living all that you attended this session, that speaks a lot. So from my heart, I should thank you all for this. Wonderful. And very nice session conducted by Radhika. Very nice. Happy to know that spiritual Shastrik they have asked me to give, but I must say she has already given the whole Shastrik evidence of how sound vibration is so म्हणता इम्पॉर्टंट आसा आमगे लायफान तू म्हणून आणि त्याच कशी आमकां हेल्प करतले म्हणून तिने आमकां सांगून दाखयलेलें. वंडरफुल. So even Pratiksha, I'm very happy that you have done this job of anchoring. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Great. Dandavat Pranam. Okay. So have you guys, apart from music now this group is formed to get connected, right? Connection is very important. So as soon as we leave this group, make unofficial group. Because I know last year when I was in college, instead of keeping that group as official, एक unofficial group म्हणून जात असेल where all the children got connected apart from teachers. So ताज निमित्त कसं जात असेल पुरा तांगील उलोंग येत असेलची की आज टीचरान हे शिकेलेल कोणा अर्थ जल्ला हवाय अच्छा अर्थ जाय नी आम्ही कोणाला विंगड हेल्प घेव्या और मगल त्या कोण की एक मेंटर असताना लायक कोण मग हे करतलीच. So this is how you get the part of belongingness and connection. So as soon as you finish this, as soon as this is, make a group where you all children can get connected. Because hang padela our parents' intervention is there somehow. Now, for example, I am a parent being a moderator here. Amala Sita Mataji is there. Revati Priya Mataji is there. I know kids don't get comfortable opening up in front of children, in front of parents or anyone. So make a group where you can connected because to me pura Jagan Dukun connection. It's not that Sakar Mumbai into a such. You all are from different parts of the world. So you can get connected, making another group and talk with each other, call each other so that you get connected. That is what is important because you guys are from Kanchitumil age group. And I'm seeing all scholarly people like Bhumika Pai, Ani Kon introduction dilla. They're all doing, my God, not Maktar commerce, science, and humanity, but this all are very scholarly, including Radhika. I can't even mark the qualifications and designation where Tujashna, what they're doing. So that means what? You need connection, talk to each other, make another group so that you can share your issues. Because this age group is the age of midlife crisis, identity issues. There are family pressure, peer pressure, all pressure, kind of pressures are there. Performance pressure is there. I see the scholar children here, you have all performance pressure. So you need a trusted adult where you can go and talk to what you are feeling. What are the identity crises you are having? You can share with them. Now, pertaining to the topic, what you have got is wonderful. How Radhika got connected. Like on sang ki music has sound vibration. Tin Chaitanya Mahaprabhu le lile dukun start korun Srila Prabhupada dukun atta generation kashi te perceive kartachi on sang. But I see there are non-devotee children. I can't say non-devotee. They can be devotee any time part of their life. I'm not here to judge anybody. Never. all are glorious children. In fact, they are our teachers. Children humko sikheta hai. So I can't say that non-devotee and devotee children here. But what I'm saying is, म्युझिक तीन विषय सांगताना अशें दिसलें की फुडें आमकां शास्त्रीक एविडन्स दिताना उपनिषदां दुखून मस्त आसाची. उपनिषद 4 वेद आसता, सामवेद स्पेशली म्युझिका विशय सांगता आसता. गंधर्व वेद actually it teaches us, learns about the sound vibration of mind and body. That is what is very important. We should know. And how relationship can be built in the way of music. That is what is very important. For example, music teaches many things in our life. Why kine? For example, आमगेल एक वरिष्ठ ब्रह्मचारी असेल राधा गोपीनाथ टेम्पल, राधा गोपीनाथ प्रभू तांगेल हॅपी बर्थडे असेल, सगळ्यांक तांक हॅपी बर्थडे विश केले. आणि इन पार्ट ऑफ हिज ही वॉज सिंगिंग अ ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग, आप जैसा कोई मेरे जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए. सिंस द सेशन इज ऑन म्यूजिक, आई एम टेलिंग यू, आप जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए. This is what he song. I was very amused. Brahmachari singing this song. See, for children, for a teenager, it is like thinking about a girl. For a person who's writing an exam, it is like, aap jaisa koi, if I get the full marks, mera baat ban jaye. But for him, he was praying to the Lord, Shri Radha Gopinath, and he's saying, aap jaisa koi mere zindagi mein aaye, to baat ban jaye. Shri Radha Gopinath, you are in my heart and soul. So my life is treasurable. So this is how he thought. So this is how music gets connected according to where you are, in which path you are, in which pace you are. So what Radhika has said is the best sound vibration, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. To reach there are many padav steps which we have to start with. Yes, that is what is music teaches us. Swara, laya, tala, bhava, he pura asta. Vai ki nahi? Sangtana. Atva Radhika, without any instrument, she sang so beautifully. I hear Pratiksha also singing in Kirtanya Sadarij, Kirtan Thursday Jattasa. She sings so beautiful. So, if we see, we don't require a great voice or anything. The bhav should be great. And the lyrics, that is because of expression of emotions as the lyrics something. So, we express our emotions. Taka humko paddi like jatta. Because it is expression of emotions. Taka humko pade Sufiana music or some rock and roll music. Why we get drenched into that? Because it touches our soul and heart. Yes or not? But when we hear about music, we hear Amgil life a music kasan asta. That is also life. Music also is like a Amgil life hai tashi asta. There are various tempos in swar laita kashi asta. Tashi Amgil life and winger tempos asta. There are ups and downs. Our life goes here and there. There are something at Swaranta, there are very things which has to be touched, like Stevra, Komal Swarastachi, Vingar That Astachi, Rag Astachi. You have some are like we have to pronounce everything. Some Ragashesta ki na ami ek shabd soda adna mal kamsa ani bhimpala various ragas. But what we learn in this music is in relationship also we should know, we should understand how we can take the importance of music in our life. So building relationship through music is very important. Like to tolerate each other, to cooperate with each other, to have that maturity where what should be spoken. So music antashi astana kasan khanch vair horka, khanch to guharka, khanch timer kasan ulloka. Amgil bhav kasan asta music sangtana. आम्ही कोणाकच आम्ही उल्लेताना आमगेल भाव कसं नसता, कोणाका आम्ही उपद्रव दितासा की आमगेल उल्लेचन कोणाकी बात दितासा की कोणाकी हर्ट करतासा की. So this is how we can connect our life, our thing with music. This is what is my understanding about music and how it goes. But what Radhika has been said is very excellent. She took it in as a sound vibration. Gholakera premadhana harinama sankirtan. So I think by the end of the class or by end of a year, all the children here will get connected via music, via kirtan, because we all are party animals. We like hearing music, but somehow the other way, we have to balance our life, hearing good music, best music, or the ultimate music. That is our choice. It is always our choice. We can drag the horse till the water, but we cannot make it to drink. So we can drag our heart to the water and we have to make it drink. So it's our choice that which music we are going to choose in our life. So of course we like, as a youngster, we definitely like the rock and roll music here. We like the party music here. But taking that, we should make a choice of what music we should love and which is very helpful to our आमगेर हांच खातीर खंयच helpful आसतले throughout our life. आज फाय music न्ही, throughout our life खातीर खंयच music आमकां help करतले, that we should decide. And for that teaching, we have all the mentors here. Who is the best teacher? Now, I think we can take 2-3 sessions. It's actually 9 o'clock, so I don't want to talk more because Radhika has given the best example of which music is the best and who is the best music teacher. I'll not say. It is you to know that who is the best music teacher in your life, with whom you can take the guidance of your life and of your music also. Hare Krishna. Thank you all for joining today on this auspicious day at Sripad Madhvacharya Appearance Day. Nimasjan hanga gama dukunu asachi. All glories to Sripad Madhvacharya. Hare Krishna. Thank you all, girls and boys. Have a good time. Radhika, thank you so much. There's so much to learn from you. Hare Krishna.